So I'm going to cache now a few pieces of meat and pork fat. Let's see what the ravens are doing.
By burying food for Ellias to steal, Bugnar can observe how he hides it from potential thieves.
So now Ellias is approaching this cache. He's already inspecting it and now got it right away.
Ellias takes the cache and stores it in his throat pouch. Now he has to case the joint to find a hiding place and bury the food out of sight of prying eyes. But he's being secretly watched. If Ellias thinks he's been spotted, he changes tactic to try and throw the potential thief off scent. It becomes a quick-witted game of counter-strategy and deception as agent and counter-agent try to outwit each other. Ellias now pretends he's making a cache to try and trick any watching birds. It's a bluff.
They can make a kind of false cache so that they go there and put the head down, pretend to cover something and then go. And others might think that there is a cache now, but they didn't put the food in.
It takes a thief to catch a thief. In another strategical move, if the potential pilferer knows he's been spotted, he can also swap tactics. He pretends to look busy with his own cache to try and appear disinterested in Ellias.
They try to distract the other's attention, the cacher's attention, to a place which is totally not really of interest. So they just actually dig around as if they are searching for a cache, but there hasn't been any cache made.
It's an attempt to fool Ellias into letting his guard down and to continue hiding the food, revealing the site of the cache to the spy. But is there more to this behaviour than a simple game of hide and seek? Dr. Bugnar believes it tells us something very special.
Obviously, there was a kind of cognitive arms race going on between those who want to withhold information and those who want to get information.
By using tactical deception, the ravens are anticipating and trying to predict what another bird is doing, a level of strategy rarely seen in animals.